How to sign out of YouTube account from other devices. Logging out YouTube account from other devices is quite important for your privacy and security purpose. So it's very simple to log out or sign out YouTube account from other devices. Simply open YouTube app on your device. Make sure you have logged into your particular account on your device and tap on the profile at bottom right corner of the screen. On this section, tap Google account at top of the screen and the Google account section of your YouTube opens. Once it opens, you need to scroll all the way towards the left and tap security. On this section, you will find manage all devices portion. So tap on it. On this page, you will see all those devices where you have signed your YouTube account. So simply you need to tap on it and open it. It can be simply Android phone, iPhone, or Mac or Windows. Once you open any device where you want to log out or sign out your YouTube account, you can simply tap on sign out button at the top left corner of the screen. And to really or to confirm that you want to remove access to your Google account from the device, tap sign out button. And once you have done that, tap OK and successfully you have logged out or sign out YouTube account from your Windows computer. So in this way, you can easily sign out YouTube account from other devices. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.